If you're investing in Lordstown Motors, you're on quite a ride. And this is a roller coaster that's making you a little queasy. So we're going to take a look at this stock today and see if you need a throw-up bag or if you're going to enjoy some cotton candy. Let's dig in. Oh, too much. It's day 7 of 30. It's challenging. It's still challenging. But I think I'm kind of getting over a hurdle, even though I'm not even halfway. If you're new to this, I'm on a challenge. I'm doing 30 consecutive days of these videos, trying to find bangers, stocks that are going through the roofs and not in the toilets. Unlike this one, Lordstown Motors is in the toilets. It's in the toilets. First they say they don't have cash, then they say they do have cash. It's up, down, left, right. Puts and calls are getting annihilated. Looking at the chart here for this thing, it had a wicked sell-off here when there was rumors and announcements that they weren't looking too good. Came all the way down when this announcement came out. Meme stock mania was responsible for pushing Ride stock significantly higher in recent days, but an SEC filing warning of going concern has killed that rally outright. And that's what happened here. The stock just plummeted. And then another announcement came out. I'm going to show you in a second. It fell to here. And then that announcement came out after it rode up a little bit. Then bing, rocketed from 9 to 13. Lordstown shares reverse losses after company says it's in talks for additional funds. They're low on cash. They need money because it's hard to make vehicles. People don't realize it. Papa Musk says it all the time. It's easy to make a prototype, hard to make a production vehicle. That's what they're experiencing, and they need money. Their pockets are empty. There's holes in their shorts. They're having a tough time. So they're in talks with multiple parties to raise funds. Currently, they desperately need it. But there was an announcement that's confusing here. A spokesperson for Lordstown said Wednesday the electric vehicle maker is debt-free, has significant tangible assets, and multiple viable avenues to raise capital, including assets-backed financing, equity-related or debt financing, loans, and potential strategic investments over the long term. We are already in active conversations with multiple parties to do so. So, what is it? I mean, this is what they're saying. Usually when they say this, it's a green flag. What was the reason for this move? Did they have puts open? Is that how they raised the capital? Are they going to come out and make an announcement? You know what? We don't need those loans from the people we were in talks with. We're good because we shorted our own stock with putty puts and we're no longer in the toilets. We've been plumbed out. We're looking good. Let's see how good they're looking. Let's check out their website. I want to see this truck. This site can't be reached. Did they go out of business just now? What the hell? Oh, wait a minute. I put 2 R's in Lordstown Motors. Oops. Okay, they're good. They're still in business. Woo! That was sketchy. All right, so the website's still up. The developers are getting paid. Once the website goes down like I thought it was, that's when you cut your losses and run. So me personally, I did liquidate a lot of my ride position. I'm down to only 5%, so not really anything in there. I did that quite a while ago, so I'm not really affected by what's going on. It's very interesting. I mean, their facilities look great. This is a video from March I was watching earlier. They're making trucks. Or is this just one? Or is this animated? Or is this the Ford plant? I don't know. So many questions from a company where things are very confusing. So they closed today. The market just ended at $11.20. So good recovery. They finished pretty much flat, up 0.1% or something like that. But the question is, where are they going to go? I think a lot of shorts got trashed on this because this was a no-brainer. I was about to open puts on this because when a company says they don't know what they're having trouble with funding and money, it's red flag. If they don't think they could stay open, a company says it, announces that to the public, red flags. Now, there's so many questions left unanswered with this one. I'm really curious to see what happens with this butt nut. We have a major resistance right here at 1266. Can it hit that for a nice little jump? That's a nice jump. Almost 13% move if it could hit that, but it's only going to hit that if investors continue to believe that they are looking to secure more funds and keep this company alive. It's hard to make trucks. It's hard to make cars, especially EV ones, when there's a chip shortage. It's ugly. It's below its IPO. It's below its price from when it originally started. Major red flags. I mean, look at Fisker Whisker. It's way up from its original IPO price. It's booming. I mean, yeah, Yes, that's because they got Henrik Fisker, and Henrik Fisker has Gouda Gouda whispering in his ears good things about different types of cheeses. When you have that, it's a no-brainer. You're going to be motivated to make your company win. I get that. With Ride, who do they have? So Ride has this butt nut of a CEO, Steve Burns, trying to do big things. Right now, it's a battle of uncertainty. What's going to happen with this company? I'll be watching this one closely because I am very curious to see what happens. If they secure funding, I'm probably going to jump in. It's going to be looking very good. But until there's clear direction, sit back. Just wait. There's no rush. Be a Buffy buff, like I always say, and just sit back. It's growing on me. So that's it for a Ride. I'm curious to see which way this sways, up or down. There's a lot of uncertainty. I personally don't invest in stocks where I don't know where they're going to go when it's more of a gamble. So if you like gambles, you could probably quadruple your money or lose it all. That's up to you. I usually look for short plays and then I go in heavy. So that's it for the stock. It's like I said, it's day 7 of 30. These videos are only going to get crazier and weirder because I'm going to have to entertain myself to make a throw. Okay, I'm not even halfway. So hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, when you hit that button, it's doing magical things. It's getting you closer to retiring young.